Hello, welcome. Episode number 2 on higher GCSE exam paper. We are picking November 2022 paper 1. In this episode, we are picking question number 2A and B on a fraction. Work out one whole number 3 on 5 plus 2 whole number 1 on 4. We have to give our answer as a mixed number, just like we are having it in the question. Then we have to show that 2 whole number 2 on 3 divided by 6 is the same as 4 on 9. So let's take it one by one. So from here, the first thing to do, we have one whole number 3 on 5, 2 whole number 1 on 4. We need to convert the mixed fractions into improper fraction using the whole number to multiply the denominator, then add on by the numerator. So 1 times 5, 5 plus 3, that will give us 8 divided by the same denominator. Whole number times denominator, that's 2, 4, 8 plus 1, 9 divided by 4. Now, in doing so, it is easier adding fractions that are like fractions, meaning they have the same denominator. So we can only try and see if we can get a common multiple for the 4 and 5, which will be 20. Meaning 5 times 4 is 20. Then 4 times 5 also is what? 20. So here I'll be having 8 times the 4, then 5 times the 4, plus 9 times the 5, then 4 times the 5. I am only swapping their position in order to make them have the same denominator. Therefore, 4 times 8, that will be 32, divided by 5, 4, 20, plus 9 times 5, 45, then 4, 5, 20. So you can see now that they have the same denominator, we can deal with the numerator as addition. So that means I'll be having 32 plus 45, that will be 77, right? So we're having 77 divided by 20. Now we don't have any common factor here, so we are going to leave our answer in the mixed fraction form, meaning how many times will 20, or how many group of 20 we can see in 70. Meaning 2 times this will be 40, 3 times this will be 60, 4 times this will be 80, which is bigger than this. So we go for 3, 20, 60, meaning it will go there 3 times. 60 from here will give you 17, meaning the remainder, if 20 multiply 3 to give us 60, the remainder will be 17. So 3 whole number 17 on 20. That becomes the mixed fraction of that. I guess the concept is clear. For the B part, if we are to do this 2 whole number 2 on 3 divided by 6, let's pick the left hand side and solve to make it to become the right hand side, which we are asked to show. So now we still have to convert this into improper fraction. 3 to 6 plus 2 will be 8, still divided by the denominator, divided by 6 over 1. Don't forget 6 is also a fraction divided by 1. Now when you are dividing two fractions, we turn the division to multiplication and flip the second fraction, meaning I'll be having 8 divided by 3 times 1 on top, 6 down. So these are two fractions that are multiplying. We can multiply the numerators together and the denominators together, or we look for a common factor and cancel. I can see 2 can divide here and divide here as well. So if 2 goes here, that will be 4. If 2 goes here, that will be 3. So 4 times 1, 4. 3 times 3, that will be 9. So we have shown that the left is equals to the right, which is 4 on 9. I'm sure this is clear. Alright, thanks for watching. Like, share, and comment. Bye-bye.